In this video, we will learn how to use Lofty CRM. First, log in to your Lofty CRM account with your credentials. Next, navigate to the dashboard. This is the central hub where you can see all key metrics, pending tasks, and an overall view of your pipeline. Then, go to the contact section here. You can add or import clients and lead information, organize them into categories or group them for better management. After that, explore the pipeline management feature. This uses to track deals at different stages, set priorities, and move opportunities through the sales funnel. Now, visit the Task and Activities tab. Schedule follow-ups, set reminders, and assign teams to tasks. Stay on top of tasks and your sales process. Next, utilize email integration features to send and receive track emails directly from the CRM. This ensures all communication is locked automatically. Then, explore the reporting and analytical sections. Generate detailed reports to monitor performance, identify trends, and make data-driven decisions. Finally, Lofty CRM offers automation tools. Set up workflow to automate repetitive tasks like email campaigns or follow-ups, saving time and increasing efficiency. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.